Good morning, student. My name is Vinay Vishwanath Gavas, and today we will be beginning with a new chapter. You are studying in Standard 7. Subject is mathematics, and the chapter name is integer. What do you mean by a integer? Integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or a zero. Suppose a number line is given. That is from the right hand side all the positive numbers are given, and left hand side all the negative numbers are given. So what do you mean by a integer? Integer is whether a positive or a negative number, or including a zero number, zero which doesn't have any sign. So before reading the number you have to see whether the number has any sign or not. So integer is all the positive and negative number, and those numbers, like for example decimal or the fractions, are not considered as a integer. On the right hand side all the positive numbers are written, and on the left hand side all the negative number are written. In between zero is there, which is not considered as a positive or a negative number. Positive numbers start from the 1 to infinity and vice versa. So what do you mean by ascending and descending order? Suppose one number line is given, and on that number lines the circles have been mentioned, that is on -5, -1, +3 and 7. So in while doing the ascending orders we have to move from the lower number to higher number. So always start with the minus, is a as compared to positive number, the negative number is lower. So consider -5, -1, 3 and 7. Similarly vice versa for the descending orders. So in descending order we have to take a bigger number, that is 7, 3, -1 and -5. So in we have to check whether the we have to do ascending order or descending order, and we have to remember always that while doing the ascending order always we have to move from the left hand side to right hand side, and for descending order we have to take a bigger number first, that is 7, what we have taken in the earlier example. So a number line that is a zero is a is neither a positive or not a negative number. We have to keep this in our mind. So we have to check whether the any number has a sign which is a positive or a negative sign. Positive sign means a bigger number than a negative sign. So we have to take a rules for the integers, that is plus minus is equal to minus sign, minus plus equal to minus sign, plus plus is equal to plus sign, and minus minus equal to plus sign. So before reading a number you have to check whether the which sign is given. So if suppose plus plus is there, we have to add it, and we have to put a positive, that is plus sign. Minus minus is there, and there if there, then we have to add it, but we have to put a minus sign. Similarly if suppose plus minus or minus plus is there, then we have to subtract it, and we have to put a minus, that is subtraction sign. Suppose for example first example, +6 - 9 equal to -3, bigger number sign. -8 + 2 equal to -6. 8 + 8 equal to 16. -7 - 8. So we have to do the addition. 7 + 8 is equal to 15, and we have to put the subtraction sign. We in order to solve this we have to make sure the rules which we have to follow. Now we are moving towards a new problem, that is a number line is given, and we have to find out which number will come. So number line including ABCD, and below that numbers are given. So we have to find as per the instruction given below. -3 and -2 are marked by E and F respectively, which integers are marked by B, D, J, M and O. In the equation -3 and -2, that is E, on the E -3 is given, and on f minus 2 is given. We have to find out b, d, j, m, o. So on b minus 6 is given, on d minus 4 is given, on j plus 2 is given, on m 5 is given, and o 7 number is given. So in the second sub question, we have to arrange the 7, minus 5, 4, 0 and minus 4 in the descending order. Descending order means which the bigger number come first. So 7, 4, 0, minus 4 and minus 5 are the correct answer. Now we will solve one exercise. Following number shows a temperature degree in the Celsius at different places like Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore. On the number line, this temperature has been shown. So we have to find out, observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. So we have to make a chart. So we have to read, that is on Lahul Spiti, one arrow is given, before that minus 8 minus 10 is given, so we have to deduct minus 2, so minus 8 is the correct. So the answers is for Lahul Spiti minus 8 degree, Srinagar minus 2 degree Celsius, Shimla 5 degree Celsius, Ooty 14 degree Celsius, Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. After each number one small dot is given, we have to count that number and we have to write the degrees as per the city. So second question is, what is the temperature between difference between the hottest and the coldest place amongst the above? So the hottest is in the positive side and the coldest, that is on the left hand side, minus degree. So the hottest is a Bengaluru with 22 degrees Celsius, and the coolest is a Lahul Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius. So in order to find it, 22 minus 8, so the answer is minus equal to plus. So 22 plus 8 equal to 30 degree. So in the difference between both the places are 30 degrees Celsius. Third, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree and Srinagar is minus 2 degree. So minus 8 difference, whenever we have to find a difference, we have to put in between subtraction sign. So minus 8 minus 2. So minus into minus plus, minus 8 plus 2 equal to minus 6. So answer is minus 6. And the last question is, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Srinagar is minus 2 degree and Shimla is 5 degree. So in order to get this answer, minus 2 plus 5, so answer is minus 2 and plus 5. So we have to subtract 5 from minus 2. The answer is 3 degrees Celsius. In a magic square, each rows, column and the diagonal have the same sum. Check with the following. Following is a magic square. We have to find the sum of every each magic square, that is first and the second, and we have to check whether the rows and the column or the diagonal having the same number or not. This is a self activity you have to do with yourself. So the correct magic square is a second magic square, there, because 1 minus 10 equal to minus 9, and then 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 plus 2 equal to then minus 6, 4 minus 7 equal to minus 9. So each column, row and the diagonal we getting minus 9 answer. So the correct answer is 2. So today we have learned about the integers, addition and subtractions and word problem. So for your evaluation, you have to answer me. I will ask you some question, you have to answer me the correct answer. So I will ask you the rules of this integer. Plus is equal to plus. Plus minus is equal to minus. Minus minus is equal to plus. Minus plus equal to minus. So for your homework, I want to give you one exercise. Okay, exercise 1.1. You have to solve the and solve the similar problem related to integer. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.